boots.
Shiny.
Well, what do you want to do today, Jamie?
I think I want to make it so some of the animals can come out today.
Yeah, we got to do stuff. You know, it's kind of a gloomy day, and the whole yard kind of looks gloomy to match. And we're just kind of, you know, it's after winter. We're trying to get things cleaned up. And we got a whole bunch of wood just kind of scattered around. I'm not sure what the last guy used it for, but we want to get it out of here. We had just been leaning it against the fence, and we got another spot where we might move all the wood to, because we just, you know, everywhere we go, we end up with a project of wood.
Right.
We get it into one place, James, and
It'd be nicer, and we'll know what type of wood we have for the projects we want to do, and everything will be in one spot for once.
yeah. I caught her off guard with that one. Did you hear that? Yeah.
Oh, I think we've got 2 baby chickens that made their way out, so I don't know what to do about that. I'm almost thinking, I don't know what we do about that.
Tightening it up. We want to make a door.
We want to make a door.
What's on our list of things? Like we want to make a door for the chicken coop.
An egg door too.
We'd love to make an egg door. We'd like to clean up some of this wood. We'd like to rake so that grass comes back.
Pick up some of those sticks down there. I think I'm going to start off with that.
You'd really like to mix the pigs a little bit, wouldn't you?
I'd like to put Buddy and Spamula together. It's time. We want little babies.
And if we can let some pigs out today, that'd be amazing too. Padre's been making us look bad. He's
down there working on the truck, actually.
He's working on the truck.
Yeah, he's putting parts in.
Our head mechanic's working on the little truck.
Without us.
We got a generator for that thing, and a water pump.
Generator. Alternator.
An alternator.
Alternator.
And a water pump.
Yes.
And
to help charge the battery.
we'd love to mark some of these boxwood trees. It's like a purple tree.
Yeah, now's the time to do it. We get about 6 weeks of boxwood, beautiful flowers, and we don't want to cut them down. We should mark them.
You know, we got so much to do. We don't know exactly what we'll get in. We're not really honing in and hitting one thing. We're freestyling.
Freestyling today, guys.
What do you think?
I like it.
So we'll try and get to action?
Yeah.
Jackson?
Yeah.
We're kind of slow. We went to the casino last night.
Yeah, we did.
I mostly lost. You did okay.
I lost 25.
I lost.
But I got 75 up.
60 probably.
That wasn't too bad. We had fun.
Yeah, we had fun. We spent like 4 hours there, you know.
Yeah.
The trick to spending a lot of time at the casino is getting a card when you get there. That kills like an hour of not spending no money. You know, I had a couple machines I wanted to hit, and we actually tried the roulette table. Everybody loves the roulette table.
Yeah, I really like the roulette too.
Yep. So, we're trying to shake the cobwebs off and just knock the cobwebs off.
I'd like to get the blankets off today. I forgot to bring a flathead, but I've got the lawnmower.
I got my tool bucket with, and I got the truck and the lawnmower.
Nice. Yeah, I think it's priority to get those blankets and stuff down. I want to do that.
It's summer.
Yeah.
Maybe that's why she's sleeping all day. It looks like it's bedtime in there.
I know. She's still sleeping, Bella. Bella!
Oh, let her.
Good girl.
Yeah. All right, so we're going to move a little bit and shake a little bit.
Try and do a little bit.
Yep.
All right. What do you want to do first, though? I was thinking start a fire.
Yep. I'm okay with that.
Or do you want to move stuff into your truck so your truck's not close to a fire?
Yeah, that maybe that.
Yeah. Let's move the wood, and then we'll start with a fire.
We're going to do the hardest thing first. But then the hardest thing's out of the way.
And it makes the biggest dent out here. Because, like, a lot of stuff is just all this wood pieces from our last-minute projects.
We're just spinning around and looking at it all, guys. Oh, my gosh.
We got so much moving to do today.
Wish us luck.
How about that?
Perfect.
Sweet.
Next, we gotta unload it.
How did all my stuff end up way up there?
We went down the hill.
Dang driveway. I think we collect buckets if you haven't noticed.
Which one do you want to move first? Little ones?
Sure. What are you gonna do with the table? Bring it to the garage too?
I guess so. It's kind of broken.
So it's garbage?
I don't know. It kind of works.
So garage.
Kind of works.
Are you guys taunting my little buddy? Hey guys, say hi, buddy.
Waterfall, huh?
Waterfall.
Go ahead. Yep.
I don't want to get a sliver. That one looked gnarly the other day. I that.
It wouldn't. It was in a tough spot.
That looked gnarly. Hey girls.
We'll take this to the lab and figure out what we're going to do with these.
I don't know. I mean, it's good. At least it's the top board's good, you know. You know, I wanted to make some shapes for the tree up there. Maybe we use the shapes and we make it out of here.
All right, we got these two piles too. It'd be really nice to have these out of here.
Yeah. So make it look a lot nicer. Watch that.
That's our power cord?
That's the top. Because the opening right here is like those up there on top of those, because it's half open, half closed. It's a top. So these two were tops, and all those other ones are the walls for it. So he took down a cage. Right.
We got it. This pile's kind of impressive, huh?
Yeah. These were the doors for that. These two cages that I now know what they're for.
What are we gonna do here? This is a big one?
Is it connected?
It's got a door.
Okay. You found us.
Uh-oh, here come the chicken.
You found us. They're like, you guys, you didn't tell us we were coming down. I see a purple flower. There must be a boxwood around here.
Yeah, there's one on this.
Oh, it's right there.
Nope.
This is the boxwood.
Yeah, mark it.
Nice.
Gotta mark it, baby.
Right.
Push. Right. This was like a greenhouse, or what was this? This was the top? This was a different kind of top.
This was a different kind of top.
This might have all been a part of that one that we broke
took
down.
Maybe this is what we broke down. And we
Right.
just kept it. You're right.
We
I was
were like-
thinking that too.
We were like, we don't know where to put it.
Right. So this must have been that big one that we took down right here next to the thing.
We're still moving it though.
I know. We're going to move it one more time.
That's crazy.
At least it's not real heavy.
It's just a lot of loads.
Your feet.
Sorry, it's hooked into me.
I was just trying to keep it away.
I don't know, this might be the last one for now. We gotta we might keep this one.
Down here.
That one is garbage.
I mean, I think everything we're building, are we going to build it in the garage or?
What?
Like, do you want this one with us? Take it with us?
Yeah.
And then this. You want to take that one? I'll take this
I
one?
mean, some of this is just garbage.
Sure. Oh.
Some of this is just garbage, darling. I don't know what to tell you.
Right, that stuff's garbage, but I don't think this board is. Right. So that we bring straight to the fire pit?
I think we gotta get rid of that.
Yeah.
This looks like almost.
Those are garbage too. I bent them so that they were easier to put in the
Really?
garbage. Oh, I unburied a salamander.
Huh?
I unburied a salamander.
We'll walk away and let him find a place to go.
I covered them up.
Well, he's gonna still be there when we get back then.
Right, but that's okay.
Yep. Okey smoky.
What do you think you want with this pipe?
I got most of my pipes from the shed up top.
Peace.
We gotta start a fire before we.
I was just gonna put it next to it, but that's okay, yeah.
We'll just go one time right into it. Good.
I'm gonna switch sides if you don't mind.
I got you. I'm gonna take this one. Yeah, I don't know.
Burn it, but I think some of the stuff is halfway decent. Like these 2x4s are good.
And it's like
Well then burn it.
75 cents a
Why? We got just a few more pieces.
Yes, ma'am.
It sure was a door. I think we got 2 more pieces. I think we'll make it.
Yep. It's gonna be so nice to have this out of here, Jane.
Yeah, it will be.
Okay.
If it's sticking there, it'll stick there.
Still kind of a goodie. Wow.
Got it.
Be nice to have that on.
There, Daddy.
This is the old one.
Oh wow, that's
See,
dirty
it's
and
got a
nasty.
hole there.
What is this? Oh, this is
That's
that
where
water pump.
was coming out.
Wow.
Yeah, our other
See,
one,
it goes up there and into this
our other one doesn't have a hole there.
bearing. Our other one doesn't have a hole there.
Holy cow, you got a tough job going on.
But I got the stuff in there.
Yeah. Does it need a hole there?
Got me. I don't think it needs a hole there.
Right.
We're gonna go on that assumption.
Right.
And then I got this down here where it's gonna go. I'll look at that real quick.
Holy cow, that thing's empty. No wonder you left us. You got real work to do, huh? I'm only around when it's a kind of a twist of a wrench.
I got cereal.
Yeah, I don't blame you. That thing's open.
One of those bolts was hard to get off too.
Yeah, I bet.
We really appreciate you twisting wrenches on this. We've been pulling wood out of the barn area ourselves, and
Let the animals back out.
That's what I heard.
They've been cooped up for a little bit.
They're gonna enjoy that.
it's pretty honest work also, though.
Do I have a spot right there?
Oh, yeah. Right off the root name's rain there. Bumped you.
Man.
I found my coffee cup.
You been looking for that?
Yeah,
Where'd you find it?
right here.
Ah!
Josh is banned from using my pink cup, y'all.
I was like, I promise I'll bring it back.
And where
Let
is
me
it for
borrow
3 days now?
It's with other cups in a cup graveyard.
Put it in the back of the truck.
Well, what do you say? We got this new thing going on with the ducks. Do you want to see if they're willing to come out?
Yeah, let's see if they remember how to get to the pond.
Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack.
Come on, guys, let's go.
Duke,
Come on, Duke.
how'd you get so dirty? Didn't we just shower you yesterday?
Is that too heavy for that?
Lean it a little bit more.
I just didn't want to trip over it.
Yeah, I just don't want it to fall and scare them even more. Because it looks like it's barely doing it. So there you go.
Like
There's
this, lean it more.
Yeah.
I gotcha.
Quack, 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 quack.
Let's go to the pond.
Quack, 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 quack. Tuna.
There they come. They're remembering now.
Come on, let's go get some water. Quack, 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 quack.
Come on.
Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack.
Should I go in behind them?
Yep. Tell them quack, quack, quack.
Come on, quack, 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 quack.
Tuna!
Nina, come here.
Come on. Quack, 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 quack. Come on, let's go to the pond. Come on, let's go to the pond. Don't you remember this? Come on, you got this.
Quack, 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 quack.
Preach it.
Quack, 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 quack.
Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Preachers, wait. Luna, wait. Yay, they remember! Oh, they're so happy. Winter's over.
Oh, they're like, check this out.
Winter's over, guys.
Preaches.
Preaches. That's
Get out of there.
That's where we want them, preaches. Preaches.
What?
She just got a lizard. Ah, she missed it. Swam away. Oh. That was so so funny. She
I
had
missed
a whole
it.
big lizard in her.
Breeches! Get out of there! I hope they don't come back right away, Jamie.
I hope they don't either, but I could just keep their door open and they know they can come in and out.
Right.
You know, they might be a little scared. You know, they were just getting used to it last year. I think they're only about 6 months old, 7 months.
Very cool.
Yeah. They're happy winter's over for sure. You guys stay here for a while. Well, Grandma ain't clean for your bed no more.
Oh, really? He's dead. I don't care.
Right? Boo was like, I'm gonna go join them. Are those your ducks? Did they come out? Good.
Yeah, I'm almost thinking about that wood piece over there, James.
Yeah, that's exactly where I was thinking too. Kind of like, because there's a little bit of a hill, so it'll kind of like go into the hill maybe.
And then like a deck that kind of goes off and into the water, huh?
Right. And then, yeah. And then eventually the tree will be real big and it'll put shade over it. We'll have to keep it boxed in for a little bit longer, but whatever it takes to keep it safe. We've only got one stem left on it. So. Luna's like, I won't hurt you guys, I just want to smell you. Right, Boo-Boo? They're crazy growing boy. Ah, crazy. They're crazy. They're crazy. They're crazy. Oh, you just got me dirty. All right, guys. I think today's the day that we are going to lock Miss Bella up so that we can let Buddy out with Pamela, and maybe in 4 months we'll have little babies. What do you think about that, Boo-Boo? You want more babies? Yeah.
Yeah, we got their door open. I think they know the way back. They're just
Exploring.
checking out their perimeter.
Right.
Oh, they found more water, y'all.
They found water.
Preaches. Preaches. This isn't a new game for you, okay?
Yeah, they're not ready for you to chase after them yet, Preaches.
Preaches.
Over here, Preach. Good girl. Come on, come on.
All right, so Jane, what's the plan? You got some sort of plan?
I sure do.
You tell me about the plans.
I think because Bella's in her house already, I think
Right.
we're going to shut the door on Bella
Right.
and lock her up for a couple weeks. And I think we are going to let Spamela and Buddy be out together and maybe try and rub them together.
Right.
I don't know if we missed the cycle this month, but she's on it now. So we'll see what happens.
Maybe we still let them go in at night.
Oh yeah, we'll leave his home open, and if they both want to go in there, yeah. Definitely, I wouldn't put the doors back on, no. They gotta have somewhere to sleep too. Yeah.
That sounds like a pretty good plan.
All right, let me get her locked up so Pamela doesn't come back over here.
And then we get a chance to see, you know, the boy pig in the yard a little bit, and we get something else out rotating. And
Yes.
I'd love to get Tiny Tim out at some point. And
I know, I don't know what to do with that.
coons are almost ready.
Yeah, their pasture's just about cleaned. Can you believe that?
Yep.
We got all the wood stuff picked up.
I gotta work on this door too.
This one just hasn't been shut for a little bit, so.
My doors are going to heck in a handbag. Thank you, darling.
You're welcome.
Okay.
All right, next is Buddy.
You got a drill?
I sure do.
Buddy's only been out a couple times.
Right. Well, every time we try and take them out with Tiny Tim, they just scuffle. So I
His
don't know what we're
family,
gonna
she
do.
looks like the leader of North Korea, doesn't she?
Doesn't she? I told you she looked cute. Look at her little squinty face, her puckery cheeks. All right. Is this you?
Sure. Sure.
If not, they'll learn. I think he knows what's going on though from last time.
Remind me to get a new bit.
I know.
This thing's not even a star bit no more. Now it's like a circle bit.
Circle bit. All right.
Yeah, let's see what the heck we had.
Those are his doors.
Could get natural great geographics in. She laughed at that. Chicka wow wow. A wimble what? A wimble what? A wimble what? A wimble what? All right, now we're gonna get copyright. Where'd the girl pig go?
She's over here by the rooster. Luna, be nice. Mama like that. He's scared right now. Give him a minute.
Good pig. Hey, good pig. Some good ducks. Ducks are like, is this my new house? Good work.
Thank you.
Hey, buddy. How's it feel to be out, buddy? You good pig, buddy. Mom with the new kicks on over there. Those are looking sharp. It looks like you could stomp out a June bug with those puppies.
Come on, Pamela.
Jamie's like a matchmaker, y'all.
Pamela.
She's like, my bed's closed.
Come on, Pamela. flow in their face. Come here, Spamela. Look who's out.
It'll happen.
She laid down.
He's kind of hard to see him. All right, y'all. Here we are in the wild. The girl pig stalks the boy pig. She's looking for a proper mate. Duke is in there blocking the situation. He's got to know that she's out.
I don't know.
He just doesn't care yet.
I don't think he knows he's right to do. Now she does. Now he does. Now let's see if he cares.
Hey, Limpy. Limpy boy.
It just wasn't limping a second ago.
It might be just something in his toe. Oh, look at his kiss.
He pooped.
Oh yeah, that's happening. It's half out. Uh-oh.
She's just waiting. Like, I'm right here.
I don't know, they're thinking.
They're just watching.
Yeah, we need she's got a front row seat, doesn't she?
She might still be in heat. She's lifting her butt to him.
I see. Oh no. Oh no. Is she a suitable mate, big guy? Look at this alien thing come out, Ma. What's that? Whoa, you didn't see it, huh?
I didn't see it.
Neither did I. Uh-oh. Bomb chicka wow wow. Alright, alright. Back to the ducks. Preaches. Leave the ducks alone. You sending them back to the pond? Preaches. Preaches.
Come here, Preachies. Preaches! No! Preaches! Preaches!
Preaches, don't be a pervert.
Come here. Hey! Leave them alone, come on. You don't want to watch that stuff, come on.
They went well, darling.
It went well.
What do you want to do next?
Feedings.
Get some feeding going, huh?
I think so.
All right, let's do it.
Let's see which way they go. Come on, guys.
Quack, 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 quack.
You ready to go back home?
Duke.
Come on, I'm gonna have to do this every night to get you guys to go back home.
I think so. They want this.
They like this.
This is something that they're used to.
They like this so much. Watch the hole, guys. Watch the hole, guys. Nope, 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 not that way, not that way, not that way. You got it, go, go. Yay, you made it, guys. Wait, Preaches.
Preaches.
There you go, that's your home. There you go. That's your home now. So you can come out every day and go to the pond. Go on. Go on. That's probably a good area for them, huh?
Yep. Come on, Preaches. Let's see what they do. Right.
push till really full.
Well, that's because there's 4 of them in there.
Right. Which means we don't need them all in there.
Right. Peaches! Breeches! Get out of there!
Oh, I gotta get this water.
Wait a minute, that's not a pig. What are you guys doing? You guys hoping Mama thinks you guys are buddy and gives you some food? No, I think she's gonna notice. Hey, cow. Some good cows.
Good job, Betty.
Good cow.
Are you guys getting down here? Well, hey, boo-boo. Hey, Duke. Mama gonna lock you guys in here for the night? You wanna be a pig tonight? I can leave you down here with the pigs. Okay, boo-boo gets to stay. Duke got the gifs, say he's not supposed to be in a pig's house or else he gets to stay in a pig's house, boo-boo. Boo-boo says he's staying.
Nice, huh?
Yes.
Come in for a hug, big dog. You're going the wrong way. He says, oh, Daddy, I want to be out. I want to be out, Daddy. I know, big dog. Next time. Next time, big dog. Look at these sneaky little chickens. What are we gonna do with you? Nice scoop.
Yeah. Hi, big man. Hi, big man. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good boy. Chickens are in the food over here.
I knew we fed that for somebody. Come on, Bella.
Bella.
You're not the out girl today, I'm sorry. Tiny Tim was sad about that too. It's just something you gotta do.
I know. She said you locked me up.
Aww.
Aww. Hey, Bella. You look like you just woke up, Bella. You've already got water in it. Hi, babies. Hi, babies.
Whole lot going on in here, James. What do you got going on?
We got big dogs and we got baby dogs. And we got little babies.
Can you take out the medium dog's bin over there, or is it still serving a purpose?
I'm going to be taking it out, yes. I got to take it out, clean it, and swap the two.
Okay.
Because that one's bigger, so I want the babies in the bigger one.
Okay. Really, I got to just build something in a corner here for you to have another breed,
Right,
another size.
right. I gave them a couple extra little scoops because they've only got one bowl left. I'm going to have to grab another bowl for them. They got food, okay. Eggs are in the second one. Hi guys.
Good work. I'm gonna get in here and work soon. Hit this with that brown dirt treatment and maybe get a log or two like we did at the last place and get some things for them to climb on and some chicken fun. I gotta close up that area in the top corner here and yep. Make a door.
Make a door.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Door's been working a little better, James?
Yeah. It was just because it was wet.
It's not that bad looking in there. Did you clean it recently?
Aw, they got an egg way down there. Yeah, I did clean it recently.
Cool.
I did.
Looks good.
I gotta get up in there though.
Yeah, you do. I see one in the back left corner.
Right.
You ever did this before?
A few times. I fixed their roosting bar down there, don't you see?
It looks good. Call for that one egg, huh?
Right. One egg, guys.
That thing's gonna scramble a hell of an omelet, though.
Sure will.
Yeah, I gotta get in here and do a little work, too.
It's not too bad in here.
It was nice to get it all before winter, though. We needed it.
Right.
Get that little toe involved. Oh, no toe. We're just Billy Badass today, huh? Show off.
5 eggs today only. Hopefully the top crew will make up for the bottom crew.
You get to work, chickens.
We're missing 4 eggs, guys. And the ducks she hasn't laid an egg in a while.
They just changed their habitat, though, and so that they're going to have to think about it for a little bit before
Probably.
she gets in the gist of feeling cool about it again.
Yeah,
You know, last time we went from really terrible conditions to like a good condition in a bigger house, and then they started laying. And
right. I hope she builds a little nest. I was trying to figure out what I could put in there for nesting, because she can just hatch her own babies if she wanted to. Have little ducklings.
Speaking of the ducks, you were looking at them while you were thinking of that?
I was.
Come on, ducks, you guys look hungry.
No, we still got food.
Good ducks, huh?
Good ducks. Good night, ducks.
Night, ducks.
I hope you have a good night. I gotta grab more food, I guess. I didn't grab enough.
All right.
I'll be right back.
Hey, Roosty Roo. Mama didn't forget about you. I think she's getting you something.
You think I forgot about him?
Nah, they know you're a good mama.
Hey, guys. Hey, my rooster friends. Try not to nibble on my fingers, Kay. Hey, guys. Yeah, their cage looks nice too.
You do good work.
They're keeping this area clean because they're roosting in the back now.
Yeah, they like that. That's gonna be perfect. Huh?
Yeah.
Nice work.
Who else do we have?
It's freestyle time.
Dun, 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 dun. You want the hay, Paul?
Sure.
You have it?
Yeah.
Careful. Ready?
That's the hay toss? Whoa. Hey guys, look at that. Wow. She liked that. They're getting excited.
She knows another scoop's coming.
Hey, stop it, Betty.
Good cow. Nice work, Ma.
Yeah.
Well, good work, guys. It's a lot of work, I tell you, you know.
It's a lot of work sometimes.
It's good, fun work, though.
The animals aren't a lot of work. It's the cleaning and picking up.
I'm going to do some of that for you. I can't wait.
I know. All that wood wore me out.
I know. I had to go get a piece of toast in me. Thank you.
Dad said, he said, he was hungry this morning. He goes, go make an egg sandwich. It's like, shut up.
Why do you could have?
We got so many eggs.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
I'll have egg
love to
sandwich
start
too,
using
yeah.
some of these eggs for breakfast.
Probably
Yes.
more healthy than the hot dogs anyways.
That's true.
Right, that'll
That's
give
true.
them more
Energy.
Right, more energy, everything.
We try to eat 2 eggs a day because it's really good for you.
It's good for you.
And it's excellent protein.
No calories, and it's good for you.
Yeah,
I told-
you're welcome to make eggs whenever you want.
I
Mom.
told James
There's
if,
so
if she
many.
made the eggs a little bit more available,
In
then
the
people would know
refrigerator.
where to find them. You know? How many you got now? 60?
Me? I've
100?
got at least 6 more dozen right now.
Yeah.
We haven't even finished the last 6 dozen I put up in the cabinet.
Alexa, how many eggs is 6 dozen?
72.
That's like 80, huh?
72.
Thank you.
6 dozen eggs equals 72.
You want to know why?
You already
Because I
talked to her about
posted
it.
it the other day, and I said, and I posted, I had a contest to see how many eggs I had in the basket, and it was 6 dozen minus 2, so I knew that was 70, so I knew
70.
it was 72. That's why I knew the answers, because I was making people guess how many eggs I had in a
Yep.
week.
Well, another great day on the farm, James.
Sure is.
Good work, guys. Bye. 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 Look how nice this yard's looking. These things are about ready to come out, huh?
Oh yeah.
Grandpa does some good work. Look,
Yeah,
he got some duck hut material over there.
He sure does.
We're gonna make something out of that pile.
Yeah, I want to get the sprinkler and put the water out for a couple days
That sounds good.
so that we get grass in here for them. Hey guys! Hey babies! It's almost your turn. You almost got your pasture all cleaned up, guys. Yeah, we almost do. She comes and says hi to me every day.
She's a good girl.
There you go, Alvy.
Whoa, they fight over that first bite, huh?
First one's always the roughest.
It's like
She's gonna get stuck with this tiny pile.
it's the cup game
Right. She's gonna get stuck.
where they
with
go
this
back
pile.
and forth, like which one's the cup under, you know?
Mhm.
You can try and be sneaky. Oh no, she saw that.
She saw.
Whoa, dude, she eats the heck out of a pile,
I
man.
know.
Big dogs. Let the little one eat too. Big dogs. You big boy, Elvis. Big boy, Elvis. Elvis is bigger than the building, y'all.
I don't know. He might have done his duty too. What do you think?
It's possible.
Like look between her legs.
Yes, darling.
She's very bulky back there.
Yes.
This other one's not.
Yes, darling.
She might be. I've been watching.
Nice work. Coming into this farm life, I really didn't know about how much animal fornicating with other animal talk that we would be getting into. It seems to be everyday topic around our neck of the woods. And it's coming from a guy who mostly didn't like to talk about stuff. I would tell the girls that they could not talk about stuff. And
That's the funny part.
there were words that we tried not to use. Like I didn't like ew or mold. I didn't like any of these words. I never wanted to hear them, but now I hear about a lot of fornication with animal talk, and I didn't know it was going to go that way, but it's okay, and I like it, and it's just another day on the farm.
Sure is.
Pretty good day, huh, James?
Exhausting day.
I know, especially after a night at the casino.
I know.
We'll take it inside and do some relaxing. What do you say?
I think that's gonna be amazing.
Yeah, thanks for kicking butt today.
Smile for me, boo-boo.